If you want to connect ChatGPT with Zoom, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step using Zapier. This is a great setup if you want to automate tasks between Zoom and ChatGPT, save time, and create smarter workflows without doing everything manually. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials, just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Explore Apps section. This is where Zapier lets you search for the different apps you want to connect. In the search bar, type Zoom. Then click on Zoom from the results that appear. After that, you'll see the Zoom integrations page. Here, click on Connect Zoom to 8,000 plus apps. This is the step that starts building your automation. Next, Zapier will ask you to choose an event. Click on Choose an Event and then select New Meeting. This tells Zapier that you want the workflow to begin when a new Zoom meeting is created. Now you'll need to sign into your Zoom account if you haven't already. Go through the authorization process so Zapier can connect properly. Once Zoom is connected, you can add another step. Click on Add Step, because now we're going to bring ChatGPT into the workflow. In the app search, click on ChatGPT, which appears as ChatGPT or OpenAI inside Zapier, depending on how it is listed. Then click on Choose an Event again. This is where you pick what you want ChatGPT to do. Select Analyze Text. This is the option that lets ChatGPT process or work with the text coming from Zoom-related data. After choosing the event, you'll be prompted to sign into ChatGPT. Follow the login process and make sure you're connected to the correct account. Once that's done, you'll be able to configure the action. From here, click on Build It. This finalizes the setup so Zapier can start using ChatGPT in your Zoom workflow. At this point, your connection is basically in place. You now have Zoom triggering an automation and ChatGPT handling the text-based step. Depending on how you want to use it, this can help with meeting summaries, note analysis, follow-up content, workflow automation, and a lot more. The exact output will depend on the prompts and steps you set inside Zapier, but the core connection is now ready. If you ever want to expand this workflow, Zapier makes it easy to add more steps later. You could connect other apps, send results to email, store data in spreadsheets, or create a more advanced AI assistant for your meetings. That is the real power of combining Zoom with ChatGPT through automation. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to use this setup for Zoom meeting summaries, note-taking, or automatic follow-up emails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.